Hey guys, so our good friends over at Macari sent us this huge package and we're going to be checking out what's in there today. I have my handy scissors. Now let's get to work. Here we go. So let's see what's inside. So, oh, we have this cute bag. I think I saw this on the website. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this as my makeup bag. This is so cool. Yay. Okay, so we have this. We have, wow, this is a lot. These are the Macari Natural Intense. Wow, and there's so many of these, and I believe this one is the Caratonic one. I can't wait to try this. So, and then we have more of the Caratonic. Okay, this is the toning milk, samples of the toning milk. Okay, so as you can see, this is what this looks like. So then we have the Macari Baby Softness Care Baby Oil. So cute. I love the packaging. What I'm really going to say is I really love the packaging of the baby line. I love it. So nice. What else do we have here? This is the Macari Baby Hair and Body Foaming Gel. So this is a huge bottle, and it says for all skin types, especially sensitive, delicate, hypoallergenic, paraben-free, okay, no, that's in French. Never mind. Okay. So this is the luxurious exfoliating body wash. You guys don't even know how excited I am about this. This was like the #1 thing I saw on the website. I'm like, I need to get my hands on this. Excited about this. It's even more beautiful in person. Look. So cool. I want to smell this. Ooh, it smells amazing. It smells so good. Luxurious exfoliating body wash buffs away dead skin cells. Radiates. Okay. Here we have the Ultimate Intense Vitality Face Moisturizer. Let me open the box so you can see. Can you guys just take a moment to just appreciate this packaging? Like the freaking packaging, guys, look. It's so beautiful. Check this out, this little pump thing. So cool. So excited to use this because I'm actually running out of a face moisturizer. So this is perfect timing. I totally can't wait to use that. What's this? So this is the oil, right? Extreme Active Intense Illuminating, Unify and Illuminate Argan and Carrot Botanical Body Oil. Let's see. So this is for one of these like summer days, you know what I mean? That you don't want to just put a lotion that absorbs. You want sometimes you actually want a moisturizer that stays on your skin. Does anybody feel that way sometimes? Don't shiny legs just look better? To me, like more toned. This is my go-to body oil, you guys. Summer is around the corner. We're about to be out here. Ooh. You guys, besides the body wash, this is the one thing that I was tripping over. I saw the pictures. I was like, yes, I admit I'm jealous. I need to get this multi-purpose dry oil because I just need to be glistening. I need to be glistening this season that's coming away. I really need to be glistening. Like the packaging, guys. The packaging, seriously. Macari is made for queens, period. Look at this, guys. How cool is this? How cool is this? So cool. So freaking cool. Hey, village girl. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna tell you guys more about how to use oils like this, but it's a multi-purpose dry oil. So like you can use it on your hair and on your skin, under your makeup. I'm gonna do a video specifically for this, so let me not even give all my secrets. This right here. So here we have the exclusive Macari Perfume. So cool. Should I open it? Yeah, let me open it for you.
Wow. Wow, guys. Wow. So beautiful.
So beautiful. Very classy. Wow, you guys. This is amazing. Amazing. I can't wait to use this. It might sound like I'm exaggerating, but this is actually one of the best fragrances that I've ever smelled. It smells so good. It's not so strong. It's very light. I want to say floral, but not like one of those overpowering floral scents. Like very light, and the only word I can think of is soothing, but it's really, really good. Very, very classy. See, this one is for big girls. Okay, and we also have here the Blue Crystal Ultimate Intense Revivify Beauty Bar. So I saw this on the website as well. This is what it looks like. You guys, this packaging, are you kidding me? What other brands are doing this? What other brands are investing in their packaging? Because this Macari is made for queens. Macari is made for queens. Look. Look. You see it for yourself. You see it for yourself. So the Vitality Face Moisturizer is part of the Blue Crystal line. Like I said, it comes along with this soap and this body lotion. The Skin Revivifies Body Lotion. I'm so excited about this. Wow. Wow. Exclusive, you guys. Exclusive. You see this? With glutathione, collagen, and vitamin C. You see this? You see the packaging? Extraordinary. Amazing. I'm gonna smell this. Wow. So nice. So nice. So nice. So also we have the Macari Moisturizing Sunscreen. Now, a lot of people are under the impression that just because we're black people, we don't need sunscreen, you guys. The sun can be very, very harmful if you're spending lots of time exposed to it. wrinkles, melasma, hyperpigmentation, all of those things. Wrinkles are just the worst. Like, the sun really does damage. I'm so glad that I got this. So glad. Thank you, Makari. Can't wait to use this one. Let's see. Let me see what it smells like. Very light. Very light. And it's not... You know how, like, sunscreens are usually, like, thick? Like, they don't even penetrate. Look how this is just absorbing nicely. Like, come on. You can't find this anywhere else. You can't. You can't. Quote me on that. And it's SPF 50. 50, yes. I said it, 50. What else do we have here? Wow, this is much bigger than I thought it would be. This is the Macari Silky Lifting Action Hand and Body Lotion. On like the pictures, this looks very small. Unless there's a smaller one. This is the big size, guys. This is huge. Really big. This is 500 ml. So it's really big. Oh my god. It smells so light. Oh my goodness. I love how none of them are overpowering. Like, they're very light. Very nice. I can't wait to use this. I'm so excited. I'm really excited. And then we have the Pure Radiance Exfoliating Scrub. Okay. So, let me open this. Pure classic packaging. Look at this. Look at this, for goodness sakes. Do you see this? The Pure Radiance Exfoliating Scrub with papaya, pineapple, and pomegranate. See this? This is what I'm gonna be using every day. Buff those dead skin cells away and buff the enemies away, you feel me? Okay. Then we have the Refreshing Lotion for body and hair. Oh, this is so nice. This is also part of the Macari baby line. Lotion. I'm not even gonna try to speak French, so let's just not even do that. But anyway, refreshing lotion for body and hair avec glycerin. That's as French as it gets, guys. So cool. Look at these cute, beautiful brown babies on it. So cute. Last but not the least, wow. Macari, you guys really outdid yourselves here. Thank you so much. I really wanted this eyeshadow, and I kept on talking about it like, I want the eyeshadow, you know, but here it is. You guys, look. Dual makeup brush included. Let me open this. Wow, look at all these. Should I do swatches? I think I should do swatches. I really want to see the, okay, Goldie, definitely Goldie. Let's try that. Let's try Goldie. Look at how pigmented that is. Look. So you can actually even use this as a bronzer. I'm going to be using this as my bronzer from now on. We have Ruri, Opal, Marit, Beryl, Amber, Agate, Gemma, Goldie, Penina, Amethyst, Ruby, Crystal, Soraya, Pink Diamond, Emerald, Jasper. Let's try Jasper. And I'm not even pressing hard. This is just a dab. This is just a dab. Do you see how highly pigmented this is? Quality stuff, guys. Very good quality. I love this Jasper color. Very, it's very fall, but I think like if you pair it with something like you could totally make this a summer look. This is like an all-round palette, all season round palette, you feel me? Then we also have the Crystal. Should we try Crystal, or how do you even pronounce it? Carnelian. I'm tempted to see this. Let's try the Carnelian. I feel like this Carnelian would be a good transition shade. You see that? This is just a dab, you guys. I'm not even... This Jasper is really, really amazing. Let's try Penina. Oh my god, this is like futuristic, alien. You know, if the end of the world is actually happening, we have to be slaying when it does. And you will definitely see me in the crystal and the Penina. Yes, futuristic chic, I said it. Look at this, guys. So cool. So nice. So nice. I'm gonna be doing a more detailed look with this. Did I swatch Amethyst? I don't think I swatched Amethyst. Let me just give that a little dab. Wow. Just wow. And I'm not even pressing hard. You guys saw that. It's just like a little, look how pigmented this is. Just look. Amazing. I'm really, and then they have this really cool mirror. Makari, you really outdid yourself. Thank you so much. I'm gonna be using all these wonderful products and doing, you know, giving you guys updates on how it goes. So this is everything. Thank you so much to the Macari family. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye.